tried this moi moi for the first time and everyone kept coming back for more. Let me show you how I made mine. Hey food lovers, welcome back to Becky's Kitchen Diaries. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make the most delicious moi moi ever. Let's get into the video. Oh my god, I honestly can't believe this is my first time of making moi moi. And look guys, it came out so well. I was really praying I don't mess this up because after all the work, the money I spent and the mouth I was making for my siblings, imagine it coming out badly. I shall know that the God that I serve doesn't wear flip-flop. But I'm actually very happy with it. The color, the texture, everything came out together nicely. Now come, let's test it together because I need to know if all the stress was worth it. So my babies, if you enjoyed this recipe, like, comment, share it with someone who loves moi moi. And if you haven't subscribed to Becky's Kitchen Diaries, please subscribe and come back for more recipes. Bye for now. See you in my next video.